Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. There are media reports that the governor of Rivers State, Simi Fubara, has allegedly directed the local government caretaker committee chairman he appointed not long ago to all go and pick forms for the coming election, local government election, from the APP, Allied People's Party. That's what is being speculated in the media, that he has directed them and those who are interested in the councillorship position in Rivers State to go to the APP and pick nomination forms ahead of the election. You know that Rivers State had earlier scheduled to hold its local government election on October 5, 2024, which is in a few weeks' time. And I consider this a deft move. And I'll tell you why this is a deft move by Simi Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, ahead of the October election. Now, before I go further on this, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Also, you can see on the screen there, here, some of my books that are available on Amazon. These books, I normally put the link under this video, the links to these books. But you can also just type the title of the book and the author name in your Google space. It will take you directly to Amazon. These books are available on ebook, paperback, and hardcover. Amazon is world's #1 on print on demand, and they deliver to every part of the world, no matter how remote that place is. Thank you for supporting this channel by purchasing some of these books. Now, back to the issue at stake. Why did I consider Simi Fubara's directive to the council chairman to go to APP, to go and pick form ahead of the election, October 5 election? Why did I consider it a deft move? I consider it a deft move because that is the only viable option available for Simi Fubara right now, to be able to build his own structure that will be directly under his control, structure that he can say that he created by himself, different from the structure that Nyesom Wike claims that he was the one that created them in Rivers State. And I've heard people say, why APP? Why not Labour Party? That's some of the comments I'm getting from people. Why he should have gone to Labour Party? Labour Party is more well known than APP. But I don't think that Labour Party is not an option right now. This is because Labour Party is also having serious challenges of leadership. Right now, nobody can say with certainty who is in charge of Labour Party. Labour Party, it is true that the Independent National Electoral Commission has said that the tenure of Julius Abure is over as National Chairman of Labour Party, and that the NWC and the NEC that he came to power with, they are all foregone conclusion. But these people are still going to court to challenge their position. So you don't get yourself entangled in that kind of situation. So Labour Party is not an option right now until Labour Party puts its house in order. Labour Party is not an option for an election that is taking place October 5, and an election in which Nyesom Wike, the former governor of Rivers State, who has also hijacked the party structure in Rivers State, is ready to give Simi Fubara a run for his money. You don't go to a party that is unstable, that can play into the hands of Nyesom Wike, like Labour Party. No. So Labour Party is not an option. This APP is the best option available right now. This is clear, unless you are not following the crisis going on in Labour Party. Okay, in as much as Labour Party has a new acting national chairman and all that, you can't say that that party is settled now. And it will be dangerous for Fubara, who is trying to build a new structure in Rivers State, to dabble into the affairs of Labour Party and begin to navigate on which one is truly the leadership in Labour Party. You shouldn't do that under this short notice for the election in October 5. Now, the reason why it's also a deft move by Fubara is that the National Working Committee and the People's Democratic Party Governors Forum, recently in their meeting in Bauchi, they expressed their support for Simi Fubara as the leader of the PDP in Rivers State. And in a communique that was read by the governor of Bauchi State, in the communique read by the governor of Bauchi State, Bala Mohammed, who is also the chairman of PDP Governors Forum, he said that the tradition of the PDP is that the sitting governor of any state is the leader of the party in that state, and he is the one in control of the structure of the party in that state for sustainability. Now, it was a good development. It was the first time the NWC and the Non-Governors Forum were in the same page. But interestingly, in that meeting in Bauchi, the acting national chairman, Ambassador Ilya Damagun, was not present, which was something of a surprise, but he was not present when they arrived at that conclusion, which also left a question. So how do they enforce handing over the structures of PDP in Rivers State to Simi Fubara? How do they intend to do it when the same National Working Committee had earlier approved the State Congress that was held in Port Harcourt a few weeks back? The State Congress that was held in Port Harcourt a few weeks back was approved by the same National Working Committee, because it was that approval of that Congress that strengthened the hands of Nyesom Wike as the leader of PDP in that state. So the NWC literally contradicted itself by insisting that Fubara is the leader of the party, but meanwhile it approved a Congress that was dominated by Nyesom Wike's loyalists, and in which Nyesom Wike loyalists emerged at leadership position of PDP structure in Rivers State. given the fact that the PDP Governors Forum lacks the capacity to enforce that resolution, and the NWC that could be able to enforce it are divided, because if NWC and PDP Governors Forum are in the same page, they could be able to take action, but they are not in the same page. As I said earlier on, the meeting that was held in Bauchi, the acting national chairman of PDP, Ambassador Ilya Damagum, was conveniently absent at that meeting. He was conveniently absent, and he had been pointed out as one of the closest allies of Nyesom Wike in that NWC. So, given that difficulty in enforcement of that resolution, it will be foolhardy for Simi Fubara to tell his boys to go and pick form under the PDP. Who will sign the form for them in PDP leadership in Rivers State right now, when the loyalists, when the Nyesom Wike loyalists are the ones in charge of the party? So that one is a no-no at all. It's a no-no. PDP is not an option. Okay. And then you look at no other option left. He can't go to APC. Simi Fubara cannot tell his people to go to APC and pick form. That would be political suicide. Because even in APC in Rivers State has two factions. There are factions, the genuine leadership of APC that have been in charge of that part, that brought APC to Rivers State. That one is led by Emeka Beke, and Emeka Beke is under the shadows of Chibi Kerotimi Amechi, the former governor of the state, former minister of transportation, who is indeed, without doubt, the leader of APC in Rivers State. But the APC has been, that branch of the APC in Rivers State under the control of Emeka Beke and Chibi Kerotimi Amechi. They are not recognized in Abuja APC at the national level. The one that was recognized is the one led by Tony Okocha. And Tony Okocha himself was put there by Nyesom Wike. So Nyesom Wike is controlling APC and PDP in Rivers State. So those are not options at all for Simi Fubara ahead of the October election. So what he did is the best option, directing them to go to APP and pick form. And there is no doubt about it that if he was able to pick a man of integrity to conduct that election, to conduct the state local government election, and the election is free and fair, I believe strongly that no matter the threat by Nyesom Wike's camp of the PDP, that they are ready to march toe-to-toe with Simi Fubara's party, whichever party he comes up with. Because already Nyesom Wike is aware that APP is the party to beat in that election. They say they are ready for them. But I strongly believe that in any free and fair election in Rivers State, APP will dust PDP, if for nothing, for Rivers people to show that they are not for godfatherism, that they cannot be put into anybody's pocket. The Rivers people are not, Rivers is not Lagos. Rivers is not Lagos that was put in the pocket of one man. No one man can put Rivers people. Rivers people are a diverse people. No one man can put them in his pocket. Orderly was not able to put them in his pocket. Amechi was not able to put them in his pocket. I don't see how Nyesom Wike should be able to put them in his pocket. Like I said, Rivers is not Lagos. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. when you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell anytime I have a new video. You'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.